I turn my camera on. I'm able to swipe and press. When I scroll up to the new feature, FO Boost Lens, I'm now able to enable and disable. When outside, I'm having difficulty, like so, not able to enable and disable. It works sometimes and not other times. Either it's not set correctly or we need to have it made better. Now it's working and doesn't work. I'm able to hit the X button easy. I'm able to go into other settings to have a switch, like here, single, easy, by a simple press every single time. I'm not able to do it here all the time. But there it is working sometimes.